Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we are at Krabi. We came to Aonang Beach. If you love beaches like us, you would know that no two beaches look or feel alike. Even though this beach is located in a popular tourist destination, it is still underrated. Most of the people who visit Krabi go on island tours to either Fifi or Four Islands, so this is usually empty and peaceful, especially during the day. If you love places with less number of people, then this is for you. Here you can either sunbathe if you love the tan or sit in the shade and still enjoy the beach. Just look at this breathtaking view. We just can't get enough of it. But we have to go to Phuket today, so we are here at the port to take a ferry. This is how it looks. We can secure the luggage here. Even though there are multiple options to reach Phuket from Krabi, like the vans, taxis, ferries and even the bus, we still chose the ferry because we wanted to be able to enjoy the amazing views. As you can see, the view of islands and the water is truly impressive. Looks like even these people opted for ferry just for the views. The ride took about 3 hours instead of 2, but because of all the pleasant views, nobody seemed to notice. We are finally here at the Phuket Harbour and now we have to wait for our transfer to arrive. The sunset scenes at Phuket are so romantic, it just feels right to be here. We just have to tell this guy our hotel name and he will check which van is assigned to us. After 40 long minutes of waiting here, our van finally arrived. From the harbour, it will take at least about 1 hour to reach our hotel. Phuket is said to be more popular among the tourists compared to Krabi, and just one look at the amazing restaurants and colorful tuk-tuks, it definitely makes sense. We checked in and dropped our luggage at the hotel and we came here to the Patong night market to have our dinner. This is also known as Bangla Walking Street or Bangla Road. This place is particularly famous for Phuket nightlife with beer bars, live music bars, rooftop bars, nightclubs and the famous go-go bars. The traffic on this street is closed just after the sunset and that is when this street comes to life with all the neon lights and loud music. The seating at this bar is the weirdest thing I have seen because they are facing the people walking on the street. Apart from the party scenes, we can also find the first copies of the branded shoes here. And we are sure your friends won't find out. Would you buy these shoes? Let us know in the comment section below. The tuk-tuks in this area are also being used as the party vehicles. And this marks the end of our day. Early in the morning, we came to this Aonang Beach for a reason you won't be able to guess. We are about to take a motorbike for rent and it costs about 400 baht per day and you have to give them either 5000 baht or your passport for security deposit. Chose to deposit money instead of passport for safety reasons. We are on our way to Tiger Kingdom in Phuket and it would just take about 15 to 30 minutes to reach the Tiger Kingdom. If you don't want to drive on these beautiful roads of Phuket, you can also choose a tour to Tiger Kingdom which would cost around 500 per person excluding the tickets. We are almost here and our hearts started racing. This place actually looks a bit smaller from outside. As soon as we entered, we headed directly to the ticket counter. Before paying for the ticket, you have to make sure which kind of package you are looking for, depending on the size of the tiger, the cost of the ticket and the waiting time. Once we are sure about the package, we are made to sign on an agreement stating that we are responsible for our own safety and that we'll follow all the instructions provided. We decided to go for the medium ones because of the moderate waiting time and the price. The medium tiger, it is costing us about 900 baht per person. While checking the tickets, this guy told us where we can interact with the tiger we chose. Even though the interaction is closely monitored and safe, still we have to follow some instructions. While we are waiting for our number, we are allowed to roam around the park and have a look at all the tigers and cheetahs. This is a park where you get a chance to closely interact with the tigers. They are fully tamed because they are born and raised inside the Tiger Kingdom. So you don't have to worry about they attacking us or something like that. And there are various ranges like the small one which is like under 5 months and the medium one which is like 5 to 2-3 years.
And then there are giant ones, very big ones, which are above 3 years. That is the range. You can choose from them, and once you choose the package that you want, you are also given an option to choose if you want to feed the animals or not. There is a special fee for that as well. We chose the medium one, so that is like 900 baht per person, and we did not choose the feeding ones because in anyways you are feeding from outside of the grill, so it's not like some adventure activity or something like that. Also, there is a waiting for every package, like at least 1 hour or 1.5 hours you have to wait for that. When they call your number, then you can go there and take pictures. You have just 10 minutes of time with the tigers. We really have to make it quick.
There are screens over here where we can check our numbers. Our number is N042, so we can check how long we need to wait.
Our number is 12. Still there are like 11 people to go. I don't know how much time it will take. 10 minutes for each person, that means 120 minutes. Oh my god. That is like 2 hours.
Apart from getting a chance to interact with the tigers, this place actually feels like a zoo. We came here to visit the cheetah. We are really intrigued by how it walks. Look at it, oh my god. It really feels sad to see the fastest animal on land in cage though. It might be really boring for it. This is the smallest tiger encounter. It looks so cute, right? We saw that most of the families with kids were preferring this one over the big tigers. This white tiger seems all cute until its mouth is wide open to yawn. While waiting for our number, we got a chance to visit each and every animal in the park. The way they walk is so grand. Funnily, while posing for the picture, I realized that my hair color matches his jacket. There are only 6 subspecies of tigers left in the world, and one of them is Bengal tiger. And the tiger's tongue is so strong that it can lick the skin off your bones. It's our turn now, and we are about to live once in a lifetime experience. And sadly, the tiger is sleeping. Would he wake it up? What do you think? So scared that my legs are literally shaking. It feels so cruel to wake the animal up just to pose with it. It must be mad at us, isn't it?
Mummy.
I think I'm tickling it. I'm so scared. I feel that the next thing it would do is bounce on me. I think I finally understood how to tame the tiger. And it fell asleep. And we came here to meet another tiger. This feels really huge. If they didn't tell us before that we are going to meet the medium tigers, we would have thought this is the big one. Asked the cameraman to shoot us while we pet the tiger, but you can certainly see where his focus is. By now we are so used to the tiger that we didn't want to leave. Look at those stripes. Oh my god. Have you ever seen a tiger from so close? This experience feels surreal. If this tiger was in the garden rather than on the table, we could have gotten a chance to cuddle with it as well. God, those eyes. Pradeep just made the tiger sleep. Wow, he's so good at it. You wanted to wake up now and show you who the real tiger is, but it looks like it won't wake up till few more hours.
How was the experience?
It's good. First, I was very scared initially, but later, after going to the second tiger, I was like, okay, fine, I know how to touch it, because if you touch it very lightly, then it is pushing away my hand basically with its tail. I was really scared at the first one, but later after like few minutes, I was used to it, and when we touch it firmly, then it's fine. How was your experience?
Wonderful.
You wanted to do this for a long time, right?
Long time. Finally we did.
It was his idea to come here and, get this experience.
And you know how old is the tiger?
No?
It's just 4 years.
Wow. It's so huge at 4 years.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You can definitely try this out if you are in Pattaya, Phuket or Chiang Mai. Many more videos are coming up, so stay tuned. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.